Hello guys. Today we are making the easy grinder. You first need to collect 5 gold blocks. After you've done that, place any mud of your choice. Then place 5 gold blocks in a plus shape. Now you need to get on your boat. If you don't have any hinges, buy some. Place the hinge in the middle of your boat. Rotate the hinge to face upwards. Now place a butter block where you're standing. Now delete the pole and launch your boat. Jump to fly up. Don't go too fast or you will get less gold. I will speed this up.